cái chế bị là
Honorable Union Minister, Tribal Affairs, Sri Arjun Mundaji, Honorable State President, Bharatiya Janata Party, Mizoram Pradesh, Panlal Mokaji, Honorable CM, Lai Autonomous Council, Honorable CM, Mara Autonomous Council, and distinguished leaders on the dais, and the members of Bharatiya Janata Party of Lai Autonomous Council, Mara Autonomous Council, and Sakma Autonomous Council who are present here, and not the least, but at last, the members who are officially joined in our party today. I welcome you all, and from my side, I wholeheartedly congratulate you all that Mizoram is going to be one of the fertile land for the Bharatiya Janata Party in coming days.
for the Tribal Minister Pu Arun Ji le Mizoram BJP akan President Puhua kate LADC akan CM Puti Zakuwa MADC akan CM te le CADC akan CM Zong Tak Tak te le BJP ka thopui zong zong te le Vinia Congress Party taga BJP lo zom thar zong zong te le Vinia mipoimo BJP ta na ka thopui dom tak tak te in zavain tin lung takin ka lo ma cheuni.
I am fortunate enough that I am in the land of India, the Mizoram, the most peaceful state of the country.
Voinia hian van nei ka in tin hem maya ramoi tak le rawong ber Mizoram ka local thi hi van nei ka in tin ni.
As you know that Bharatiya Janata Party is the largest political party of the world. We have 18 crores primary members in India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Mizoram.
Voinia hian BJP hi khovel pum puya crore sang hazariat chuang member nein party chuan party lian pen kan niti Voinia han ka soidu le Voinia hian India ram Kashmir tanga Kanyakumari Gujarat tanga Mizoram thangin BJP hian member kan nga benaniti Voinia han ka soidu ni.
Yeah. Our honorable dynamic Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he often calls our northeastern state, our 8th state, as Asta Lakshmi. And we seen the development, what is going on in the northeast region past 6 years.
Kumruk liam ta tangin Sri Narendra Modi kan Prime Minister zone tak kai huainan huaya northeast state sang sang te mason na duam tak tak kan hu chau meka kan Prime Minister Pu Modi hian helai state pariat te hi ha son se ti hi adu tak seta athinling avei tak setani.
Our motto, BJP's motto and our honorable Prime Minister's motto is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas and Sabka Vishwas.
Voinia hian kan Prime Minister ina asal khana amoto ron kenchu Sabka Saath, Sabka Vishwas Vikas ani or Sabka Vishwas ani chu amzia chu mizo togin kan zavaya telna kan zavaya basonna kan zavaya kan rinnamna sarkar tinani.
Yes. All the caste and communities, all the religious groups, the way of worship that Bharatiya Janata Party respect and recognize all way of prayers. But some other political party oftenly criticize us as a communal party, as a Hindutva party.
Voini ayan ka soidu chu.
Just a minute. We believe in Sarva Dharma Sama Bhava. That means all religions, all way of worships are recognized and respected by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Voini ka soidu chu. Bharatiya Janata Party hi mi te chuan party social te chuan Hindu sa kosi tu big party ten tia amai ro chu diktaka an sei chuan BJP hi sa khua sang sang te aza a sa ko sang sang tong China in biak na te hi aza ni ti hi voini han ka sei duwa chu kan hia ta tan po hen ka puang do ni.
So, our identity is, we are all Indians. हम सब भारतीय है, हम सब एक है. We are one. Unity in diversity is our identity.
Voini ayan ka sei do chu university in diversity kan zavain pum khat kan ni Indian kan ni a India khole tui kan ni chiwangin pum khat kan ni ti hi voini ayan ka sei do ni.
So, we are facing much trouble in Mizoram by working as a BJP party worker, BJP worker. So you don't worry that good days is coming. Zoramthanga will be out from the power in next 2023 assembly election from the soil of Mizoram.
Voini aga sei do chu Mizoram ahian a party anga masona ahar emani amaro chu voini han ka sei do chu ma kan sonanga sahi somhi pathuma chuan tuna kai Mizoram sarkar kai hoi tu MNF party hoi tu Mizoram thara te chu sahi somhi pathuma chuan kan pai khadona ni ti hoi ka ti ama chini.
So I will not speak anymore because our honorable chief guest and tribal affairs minister will speak to you, and I hope that we will look after your all grievances, just like amendment in 6th schedule area and this type of all other issues we will address, we will discuss in our highest decision making body in Delhi, and we will do whatever we can do in coming days. And I hope the CEM of Lai Autonomous Council and Mara Autonomous Council is with us. And I hope Sakma Autonomous Council leaders will also join Bharatiya Janata Party immediately.
Voinia hey hun reita kala lawanga voinia atopna na ka sei du chu hey masonna dom tak tak te kan hu chau mek a
Assam gets and other state gets the all benefits of 6th schedule district just like direct funding. Why not Mizoram? Mizoram also should get the direct funding from the central, and will amend the 6th schedule this area.
in ho tu tanen tarun le kan mi ten hela tara thu kan hiat danin voini ahian kan bela ron thleng to a kan do kan te phono thleng to a mi puitana mamo 6th schedule amendment te le thil sang sang mi puita har satna mason na turan na tam tak hi voini ahian chop chua ani kan ha hei hi kati kan ti ama cheu BJP sarkar chuan rang thayal berin high level meeting na Delhi kan la phar chu kanga kan ti ho ti nge yang ti po hi voini ahian kati ama cheu ni.
Okay, with this few words I conclude my speech. I will meet you in coming days, and I hope God will bless us in coming days. Thank you very much.
Lalpadin zawai